Before we solve today's puzzle, let's review the basic strategy. For more details, please follow the link in the description below. I will make a new strategy video in the next few days. Stay tuned. The basic idea is to find a perfect community. A community has two components. First, a set of numbered black cells, which I call home cells or homes. Second, a set of red lines, which cover all neighbors to all homes. Then, the number of bulbs in the community is between the total value of homes and the number of red lines. The home value is the same as the number of red lines. The community is perfect in the sense that no more red lines are wasted. After we find the perfect community, we know there's one bulb per line, and each one of them is a neighbor to some home cell. And we can check off all those cells who are not neighbors. Let's look at today's puzzle. We find 2 and 1 here, a value of 3, and 3 red lines. So this is a perfect community. We check off all the neighbors. Uncheck all the neighbors. In this line, the bulb must be here. Here, survivor. Now there are two supercells here, 1 and 1, and 2 lines. So it's also a perfect community. Now for a supercell, the underlying cells are the same as neighbors to a home cell. So we uncheck these. With more practice, you can skip the neighbors when checking off non-neighbors. Let me do it again. Then there's 1 and 1 and 2 lines. 1, 2. 2 here, 1 here. Corner. So there's another supercell here. 1 and 1 and 2 lines. 1, 2. One here, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, 0, survivor, 0, survivor, 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 0. For the last part, there are different ways. So one thing we can do is, one of these must light up one of these. Therefore, this cannot be a light bulb. So this one can only be saved. But we can also use supercells. So we have 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here. 3 supercells. And 3 lines. 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here. So for this line, the bulb must be 0, 0, 1, and 1. Now we can review all the perfect communities here. So 2 and 1, 1 and 1. 1 and 1 here. So here is a mixture of a normal cell and a supercell. And lastly, 3 supercells.